to file W-2 tax return on TurboTax phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. You can easily file your taxes on your phone using the TurboTax mobile app, or you can launch open any web browser and head over to the official website of TurboTax. Then make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to open up your return. Now select income and expenses option. Now you want to tap on Start for Job W-2. Here you will have to enter all of these details. Now you will have to add your W-2 information. The first option is to snap a photo. You can simply take a picture of your form and TurboTax will use this information to autofill your return. Next option is to upload it from your phone. You can use a digital copy of your form to fill in your return. You can upload a PDF, JPG or PNG file over here. Or if you want to manually enter all these details, tap on Type it in myself. Now go ahead and enter all of these details manually over here. Once you have entered all the details, you want to review the deductions and credits. After this, TurboTax will review your tax return. Now choose e-file for fastest processing, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.